Visiting Meat Church Barbecue Supply in downtown Waxahachie, Texas has been on my travel bucket list for a long time. I was heading from Austin back up to Dallas area where I live. I had gone to a YouTube creator event there. I'll show you some photos of that. But on the way back, about 45 minutes outside of Dallas is Waxahachie, and it has a beautiful downtown square area. And although I was really trying to go to Buc-ee's on the way too, it wasn't open. But I was so happy, like I said, to make it to Meat Church. So you can get all of the spices you'd want. You can tour all different types of grills. They're extremely helpful people working in the store. Parking is free and easy. And Meat Church is probably the best thing there at this time, but I can only imagine that Waxahachie will get more built out in the future. I picked up the new Blanco spice blend from Meat Church. I can't wait to try it. It's kind of like an everything season, poultry, chicken, pork, steak. You could put it on everything, but I did love this Ghazni grill. I just started learning about those pizza grills, and I'm going to get my hands on one of them soon. Anyways, there was plenty of merch. There were a few restaurants nearby, so definitely check it out if you're going on a road trip from Austin to Waco to Dallas, anything in the area. And I have other guides for you of things to do in the Dallas area. Don't hesitate to check them out. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers.